Hey, what's up, loves? It's your girl, CC Smalls, and I'm back with another video for you. So we are just going to jump right into it. Today's video is going to be about a DIY deep conditioning for my 4C hair. In my 5-ingredient DIY, I'm going to be using eggs. And if you use eggs, which I don't always use eggs, but if you use eggs, be sure to wash your hair out with cold water, because you definitely don't want to cook the eggs in your hair if you use hot water, because I did it and I've learned my lesson and I won't do that again. Nope. Okay, so avocado, eggs, remember what I said, olive oil, honey, and coconut oil, and yeah, blend it all together and it comes out nice and smooth, and just put it in your hair. That's it. I put it in for about an hour or two, and then I wash it out with cold water. But if I didn't have egg in my hair, it would be warm water or lukewarm. I would say hot, but hot's not good for your hair. That's why as what I've been told, it's not good for your hair. So yeah, so just kick back, relax, and enjoy my video. Getting the big one. And this, I never know how to take these out, these balls. I see people do it all the time, and it's like this. Oh, now you want to come out all easy. Okay. Cool. I like that. You have your egg. Honey. I say about a teaspoon. I know some people use spoons, but about 1 tablespoon. And your extra olive oil. Yeah, about a teaspoon as well. You don't always have to use extra oil, olive oil. You can use any kind of oil that you have in your house. About a teaspoon of that. And I guess coconut oil. Coconut oil. Can't forget this. And I got all this stuff from Walmart. Walmart is the place to be. And Walmart also takes all your money. But that's another video. I sometimes always melt this before I put it in, but not today. And I will probably, once I mix all this together, I will pour it in a bowl and probably do like a quick hand mix just to make sure I got everything. But yeah. gonna get a bowl and we're gonna get this bowl and transfer everything into this bowl. So let me pull my sleeves off of this, you know, it get a little messy. And if y'all notice my thumb missing, please excuse that. I need to get my nails done. I broke my nail like 2 days ago at work. I just don't want nobody coming for me in my comments about my thumb, because my thumb don't got nothing to do with this. Okay. So let's unplug this just in case. Safety first. So we're gonna do this. Yeah, sometimes I wish I had 3 hands. So we're gonna just place this right here. We'll get that extra stuff in a moment. Oh, look at that big old chunk. Ooh. I made just enough for my hair. And being as though it's been so long, I'm going to make sure I use every bit of it. And then, let's go ahead and do this part. I don't like wasting products, especially when it has to do with my hair, because yeah, it is crazy because I can waste some fries, but I don't waste hair products. It's weird. That's weird to me, but hey. All right, I love this blender. Oh no! Like I said, I love this blender. You can purchase this blender at Walmart for under $20. They have a bigger one, which I want, which I'm going to get. But for right now, I'm going to use the small one. I usually use this when I'm making my guacamole, which if you want to see how I make my guacamole, my homemade guacamole on my fresh salsa, leave a comment below. Ooh. Ooh, the struggle. I like to massage as I put it in. Stimulate your scalp. All right. And look, it's already like it's already easy for me to work my fingers through it. And it hasn't even been a whole like 2 minutes yet. Magic. Yeah. Magic, 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 magic. My hair is like, yes. Thank you, CC Smalls. Thank you. And I'm just like, you're welcome. Well, loves, that's all I have for you today in this video. Pretty simple ingredients, like I said before: avocado, eggs, and remember I told you about the eggs, cold water. Trust me. Coconut oil, olive oil, and honey. Just mix it all up. You can use a hand mixer. You can just mix it. If you don't have a blender or a hand mixer or anything like that, go old-fashioned and get that whisk or that fork and go just like that. It's still gonna get the same results. It might not be as smooth, but you'll still get the same results. Yep, and that's just how I do my DIY deep conditioning for my 4C hair. So yes, and all you have to do next is hit like, thumbs up, leave me a comment down below if you have any questions, and of course subscribe to my channel so you can always be alert. Well, hit the bell and subscribe so you can always be alert when I come through with another video. All right, loves, thank you for watching. Bye.